Class number 40, high dV by dt protection, or simply dV by dt protection. Now we know that as soon as we close the switch, a sudden high voltage will appear across the SCR, which may damage the junction J2. So we put a capacitor here. When you put a capacitor here, what happens is capacitor will act as short circuit initially. Short circuit means its voltage will be 0 initially. Even if you close this, voltage here will be 0 only, because voltage across the capacitor cannot change immediately or instantaneously, because the voltage can develop there only after current flows through the capacitor. Means capacitor should charge, then only voltage can build up there. So what happens is, as soon as we close the switch, current will flow like this. For small microseconds it will flow till the capacitor charges to the supply voltage V. So for a small duration there will be load current, but it is immaterial because the load will not be energized for a small microseconds. Now this is charged in this polarity. So the charging takes some time. It is not, charging is not instantaneous. So SCR gets time for the dV by dt. So charging of capacitor will be lesser rating, lesser speed, lesser rate than the dV by dt rating of the SCR. Hence SCR will be protected from high dV by dt. But this is not enough. We need a resistance there. A resistance here is needed. If there is no resistance, what happens is, say you have switched on this. Now SCR will recharge, capacitor will charge in this way. Okay, you can remain like that for 1 second, 2 seconds, or 1 hour, how much you want. When you need the circuit to be energized, you will apply gate current. As soon as you apply gate current, current will flow. Okay, this is now closed. Okay, even though it is closed, current will not flow. You have to give gate current. Now it will flow. As soon as you give the gate current, this becomes on, short, so capacitor will discharge here. That high current may destroy the SCR. So we put a series resistance here to limit the current. That will actually make the snubber circuits operation a little bit poor. See, when you close the switch, what will happen is some voltage will appear here and some voltage will appear here. So there can be some limitation. Hence, there is also another way of improving the circuit. Put a diode here. Now assume that here you have this. Here assume that you have this power supply and load. Assume that here you have power supply and here you have load in this loop. Now what will happen is, as soon as you close the switch, this R is bypassed by the diode. So SCR will not get voltage of R. Only 0.7 volt will be here maximum. And when we fire, then R will come into the picture. So this R should be there only during firing of SCR. Anyhow, in examination it is enough for you if you write just RC, or with the diode you can write as you wish.